Hi guys, welcome back. So in my previous video I showed you guys how to set up Laravel using head on Mac OS, but recently I had to switch from my MacBook to a Windows system due to some compatibility issues with some personal activities I was embarking on. So let's just dive right into the activity for today, and that is how to set up Laravel using head on Windows system. So let's just dive right into it. So in order to do that, firstly we have to get our head application downloaded. So just to inform you, I have mine downloaded already, but I can and I will walk you through the process of getting yours too. So move over to head.laravel.com. When you get here, you will see the download for Windows. So you have to do is click it and you will be sent to the download page, and wait for a few seconds and your download gets started. I'm going to pause it because I have it downloaded already. But just for your information, when you newly get your head, you might not see the application on your screen or a shortcut or whatever. So all you have to do is search for it. Yes, then click it. It gets added to shortcut. You click it. When you click it, your head application is open. So you will see that a lot of services has been started in the background already. That is PHP, DOMs, and links. So that is the benefit of using head. You don't have to download all these things separately, or yeah, you don't have to download it separately. But to pinpoint something ASAP before we move on to the next thing, I know most of you don't see my SQL over here. This is because head only supports my SQL on Mac OS and doesn't support my SQL on Windows. So in order to use my SQL, you have to download my SQL separately on your system to use my SQL services. So let's jump right into getting our first Laravel project created. So I love using my terminal, so use my terminal, open the terminal, move over to your head directory. Yeah, so now I'm in my head directory. So to create your first Laravel project, all you have to do is Laravel new, then the name of the project you would like. Let's call it blog. Laravel new blog. Then Laravel will prompt you. So mine says update. Oh no, I wouldn't go for that now, so we can be quick. Then starter kit, let's use none for now. Use pests. No, I just want to be quick with this video. Then our project is getting started. So beware that you will have to move to your head directory in order for Laravel to install your new Laravel project in head, so that head can be able to render your projects easily without having to do PHP artisan run dev or all sorts of that before you could render your project. So that is also a benefit of using head. Head gives you a private server which you can use to render your projects and all. So let's wait while our project is being downloaded. So now we are prompted to choose a database. So out of the box, Laravel comes with SQLite as a default database, but I'm using my SQL migrations. Yeah, let's go with the migrations. Now we have a migration error. So just in case you come across this is not a huge error. This is because we haven't set our database yet. So I'll walk you through solving this problem in a bit. So let's just patient while Laravel installs first. So now, yes, we will run npm install an npm build. That is necessary for your front end. You know that without that, nah, you will use tailwind and all that, but you won't see your design. So yes, let's run npm install and npm. So now Laravel is done installing, and if you can see, you're instructed on what to do next already. So you can see Laravel is so easy. So now we move on to the blog directory just created. Then we're in the directory. So in order to open this on your IDE, I use VS Code as my IDE. So I just do code dot and voila, it opens. Give it a second. And yes, it's opened already. So this is the file that Laravel created for us. But first, I want to show you something. So in order to access this, we just created, like, see it served on our browser. Head already comes, like I told you, head gives us a local server that we can use. So all you have to do is blog.test and voila. So this error is happening because we haven't set our database. You remember we had a database issue. So let's get right into it. So yeah, in order to solve your database issue, if you encounter the same, you come to your environment file. This is where you have all your private settings for your Laravel application. So now our database is called blog, but we got that error because there is no database with blog. So I would use an already made database I have, Sekila. Then the password is, I have a reset password already, so I just save that, and hopefully I'm correct with this database because I can't really remember. And okay, let's see. All right, it doesn't record that, so let me, sorry guys, I will have to be sure about my database. So list. So I hope you're following me. I only want to get the database I already created. So this is just taking me, I just want to remember my database. So okay, Sakila. If you can see it, Sakila. So yeah. So let's go back and fix that problem. So remember, this database I already have it set. That is why I'm using it. But you will have to go through the process of creating your own database. So I think this problem will be fixed just now. So yeah, voila, is fixed already. Why? Because that is a valid database. So now you have your fixed Laravel project being served in the database. So let me just give you a quick tour on the database, on the Laravel architecture. So now, in order to see this homepage view, which you're seeing right now, you have to go to your resources because that is where you will see all your front end files and everything. Go to your views, then you go to the welcome page. So this is what you see right now in your web page. So in order to get that done out of the way, no, I'll leave this. Let's create a new route. So in order to create a new page, all your pages are found in the route directory. You go to your web.php. So this is your route. This is your home page route. So in order to create a new route, we copy this, paste this, and say, okay, let's go to page one. We call it page one, and what view? Page. Let's just call it whatever we like. So we save, we create, then we do page. We name it page one .plate.php. Then it's saved. So right now we have it saved already. So now all you have to do, the view is called page one. So let's see how that goes. So let me take you guys to log the test stroke page one. So this is the new page we created. So to make sure that this is the new page we created, let me show you right here. We go back to page one, create, let's just say hello, and save with no blade syntax or HTML syntax, and we see hello here. So I just walked you through simple and very fast way of creating your first route and your first page. So I hope this is useful to you. See you on the next video. I will be talking